Hello, and welcome back to Dean the World of Cars Nerd. Dean here, and today I will be reviewing all of my Cars Christmas diecasts made by Mattel that I have in my collection. So the Cars Christmas diecasts are really underrated and magical, and I plan to get my hands on more. But here are the 3 Christmas diecasts that I have. So let's get to it. Starting off, of course, is the Christmas version of Lightning McQueen. His look is the Christmas version of what he looked like at the end of the first Cars movie, I think. I like how shiny and wintry and magical his red paint job is, and his racing lightning bolt became green. Now, I don't know if all these Christmas variants of the Cars characters are canon, or if any of the expanded universe lines are canon, but this expanded universe line of the Mattel Diecast series is my favorite from the expanded universe of Cars, so not in any actual productions. Anyway, yeah, Lightning McQueen here. He's really cool, and I love the simplicity of how Mattel made the Christmas version of Lightning McQueen, and it's awesome that they chose to add Christmas colors to him, red and green, and then white wall tires, which also look really cool to blend in with the snow. And then here's Lightning McQueen's legal information. And then next up is the Christmas variant of Ramon. Now, like McQueen, Ramon also has the Christmas colors on him, red and green. There's his license plate, low and slow, his catchphrase in the Cars trilogy. Yeah, the Christmas diecast of Ramon is mostly green, but what I really appreciate is that they also added red ribbons to him, which makes him look really cool. This is definitely one of the best Ramon paint jobs, even though he wasn't in any of the canon Cars productions. But yeah, Ramon here, he looks really cool in all of his Christmas colors. Yeah, here's his legal information. And then last, but certainly not least, is the Christmas version of Fillmore. Now, Fillmore already looks really cool without his Christmas decorations on him. Now, this Fillmore is kind of dirty. I probably should have wiped him off or something before doing this review. But now I'm only noticing it just now. But either way, he looks cool without his Christmas variant, and his Christmas variant looks just as cool as his regular variant from the Cars trilogy. Yeah, here's a red Christmas banner going all around him, and Christmas lights surrounding it. These Christmas lights are all really cool on Fillmore. Right here, where it says peace, he hung a banner below that says on Earth, so peace on Earth, so this Fillmore Christmas diecast is pretty awesome. Um, he works really well with the Christmas variant. And then here's Fillmore's legal information on the bottom. And yeah, those are all the Cars Christmas diecasts made by Mattel that I have in my collection. Now, of course, there are more Cars Christmas diecasts that I need to get my hands on. But I love the 3 that I already have. I really do think, McQueen, Ramone, and Fillmore all look really cool in an expanded merchandise line that's Christmas-themed, and these 3 diecasts, I just think, put you in the holiday spirit. Anyway, let me know what you think of my, Christmas diecast collection from Cars down below in the comments. And I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.